Established in 2001 by a US-based nonprofit, the Creative Commons license was created to help people share their work while addressing copyright concerns. Creative Commons offers a range of licenses that specify which rights the creator retains and what others are allowed to do with the work. Each license clearly outlines the permissions granted by the creator, making it easier to understand how the work can be used. Many images, videos, and other content available online are shared under Creative Commons licenses. Platforms like Google Images, YouTube, SoundCloud, and Wikipedia often include content that is licensed under these terms. Please note that not all content on these platforms is free to use. The creator decides which license applies, not the platform. If you're unsure about a work's licensing status, avoid using it until you can confirm its permissions. Public domain images are works that are not protected by copyright, either because the copyright has expired or the creator has explicitly released them for public use. This means anyone can use these images freely for any purpose, including commercial projects, personal use, or advertising. Here are some websites to find free public domain images. Unsplash is a platform offering high-quality, free-to-use images for any purpose. Pexels is a large collection of free stock photos and videos available for personal or commercial use. Flickr, the Commons, hosts public domain images provided by cultural institutions and archives around the world. It's a great resource for historical and educational content. Canva is a design tool that includes free images for creative projects, along with editing features.
Reflective time.
When searching online, how do you determine whether images or videos are safe to use in your assignments?
Identifying copyright-protected content is crucial to ensure you respect the rights of creators, avoid legal consequences, and uphold ethical practices in your work. Copyright laws safeguard the effort and creativity of individuals, fostering an environment where creators are encouraged to produce new content. Misusing copyrighted material can lead to legal penalties and harm your reputation. Here's how to identify if content is copyright protected. Look for image credits or creator information. When you find an image, check for captions, credits, or links to the original creator. This information can be used to credit the source, and it may also include contact details if you need to request permission for use. Check for a watermark. A watermark is typically a faint logo or text across the image. Indicates the content is under copyright protection. You cannot use watermarked images without the creator's explicit permission. Use Google Reverse Image Search. Google's reverse image search allows you to trace the origin of an image by uploading it or entering its URL. This tool helps you locate the original creator, verify if the image is free to use, and obtain necessary permissions. Review the license agreement. If you source an image from a stock site, carefully review the license agreement. These agreements outline how the content can be used and any restrictions that apply. When in doubt or unable to verify the license, it's best to avoid using the content to steer clear of potential copyright violations. By recognizing and respecting copyright, You contribute to a fair and creative digital ecosystem. Taking these steps ensures your work remains legally and ethically sound. As generative AI becomes more common in creative fields, it's important to understand how copyright laws apply to AI-generated content, including text, images, or videos. These new tools raise questions about ownership, making it crucial for users to stay informed about evolving copyright rules to ensure responsible use. Who owns AI-generated content? Copyright law traditionally protects human creators. However, AI-generated content creates uncertainty about ownership, whether it belongs to the AI developer, the user, or no one. Current laws state that only humans can hold copyright, meaning fully AI-generated works are not protected and can be used by anyone without permission. Legal cases and precedents. Some court rulings are shedding light on these issues. In the Naruto vs. Slater case, a monkey took a selfie, and the court ruled that only humans can hold copyright, highlighting that AI-generated content faces similar limitations. Ongoing discussions may lead to new laws to address these challenges. Licensing generative AI outputs. Licensing is key for AI-generated content, allowing creators to control how their works are used. Typically, the user of the AI tool owns the content unless otherwise stated. Licensing agreements, such as Creative Commons, allow creators to grant usage rights, ensuring others follow specific terms like giving credit. This approach encourages sharing and provides legal protection against unauthorized use. Fair use in the context of generative AI. Fair use allows limited use of copyrighted material to train AI models, provided it is transformative and doesn't harm the original creator's market. For example, using snippets of music or art to generate new, distinct works can be considered fair use. Case studies show creators using AI responsibly by ensuring the final output differs significantly from the originals. Understanding fair use is crucial for responsible and innovative use of copyrighted material. Ethical considerations in generative AI. Generative AI raises ethical questions about originality, ownership, and attribution. Since AI is trained on existing works, it can be unclear whether the output is truly original. Creators must respect the rights of original authors while using AI tools. AI can also introduce biases if trained on biased data, leading to unfair representation in creative works. To promote fairness, creators should follow ethical guidelines, such as those from the Partnership on AI, emphasizing transparency and accountability. Best practices for creators using generative AI. To use AI responsibly, creators should attribute AI-generated content, giving credit to the tools used, ensuring transparency. Review licensing agreements before using AI-generated content in commercial projects to avoid legal issues. Following these practices ensures ethical and appropriate use of AI in creative works.
Reflective time.
What's one best practice for using generative AI responsibly that you plan to apply in your own projects?
By now, you should be able to understand the concept of copyright and its importance, apply fair use guidelines to your content creation, discover public domain and Creative Commons resources, recognize when digital content is protected by copyright, and navigate copyright issues related to generative AI tools. For additional resources and information, please visit the Digital Competence Education platform